viewers, in a world of constant change and innovation, staying informed is your compass to navigate the future. We are thrilled to welcome you to Future Edge News Channel, your gateway to the latest breakthroughs, trends and insights in the ever-evolving world of technology, science and innovation. So, join us on this exciting journey as we unveil the future, one story at a time. Thank you for choosing Future Edge News Channel as your source for the news that matters most. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's explore the future together.
Transforming the 21st century classroom with Android robots. Welcome to our video on how Android robots are revolutionizing the modern classroom and transforming education in the 21st century. In this video, we will explore the capabilities of Android robots and how they are enhancing the learning experience for students. Join us as we delve into the exciting world of educational robotics and see how it is shaping the future of education. Welcome to our video on Transforming the 21st Century Classroom with Android Robots. In this digital age, education is evolving rapidly. Traditional classrooms are giving way to innovative learning environments, and one technology that is leading this change is Android robots. Today, we will explore how these robots are creating a new era of education and revolutionizing the way students learn. Android robots are no longer just a sci-fi fantasy, they have become a reality and are making their way into classrooms worldwide. These robots are designed to assist teachers and engage students in a dynamic and interactive learning process. Android robots, or educational robots, are designed to assist teachers and engage students in dynamic and interactive learning experiences. Their working involves a combination of hardware and software components. 1. Sensors and hardware. Android robots are equipped with various sensors such as cameras, microphones, touch sensors, and sometimes even environmental sensors like proximity detectors or infrared sensors. These sensors allow the robot to perceive its surroundings, interact with objects, and respond to user input. 2. Artificial intelligence, AI. The core of an Android robot's functionality lies in its AI capabilities. AI algorithms enable the robot to process data from its sensors, understand voice commands, recognize objects and faces, and even navigate its environment. Machine learning models may be used for tasks like image recognition, natural language understanding, and decision-making. 3. Communication. Android robots often have wireless connectivity, enabling them to connect to the internet, cloud services, or other devices. This connectivity allows them to access updated educational content, download resources, and communicate with teachers or other students in real time. 4. Interaction. Android robots are designed to interact with students in various ways. They can display educational content on screens or projectors, respond to voice commands, engage in conversations, and provide feedback on assignments and quizzes. 5. Programming and customization. Some Android robots can be programmed or customized by teachers or students. This feature enables educators to tailor the robot's behavior to specific learning objectives or adapt to individual student needs. It can also be an educational tool in itself, teaching students programming and robotics concepts. 6. Data analysis and feedback. Android robots collect data on students' interactions and learning progress. They analyze this data to provide valuable insights to teachers, helping them understand students' strengths and weaknesses. This feedback loop can assist in adapting teaching strategies and improving the learning experience. 7. Safety features. Safety is a critical aspect of Android robots, especially in educational settings. They are designed with safety features like obstacle detection to prevent collisions, emergency stop buttons, and child-friendly materials and designs. Using cutting-edge technology, Android robots can interact with students and guide them through lessons, projects, and activities. These robots blend seamlessly into the classroom, supporting and enriching the teaching process. As we conclude our exploration of Android robots in the 21st century classroom, it is evident that these intelligent machines have the potential to revolutionize education. Android robots are versatile tools that can adapt to various educational contexts, from elementary school to higher education, helping teachers and students achieve their learning objectives in innovative and interactive ways. With their engaging presence and interactive capabilities, they can foster a love for learning in students and inspire them to explore new horizons. Thank you for joining us today as we uncover the powerful impact of Android robots on education. Stay tuned for more exciting advancements and transformations in the modern classroom.